You sit down, type out a request to an AI model, and get a brilliant response. The next day, you use a nearly identical prompt, and the results are wildly inconsistent. You capture lightning in a bottle once, but spend hours failing to ever recreate it. The immediate instinct is to blame the algorithm. We assume the system is glitching, that it is hallucinating wildly, or operating on pure randomness. The truth is, the tool is not the problem. Welcome to Architecting AI Precision. In this preview session, we are stepping away from the chaos to look at a structural solution for this exact workflow breakdown. You do not need an expensive software upgrade. You need a shift in your communication habits. We are talking about enterprise-level reliability. This is for environments where outputs must be correct, compliant, and ready the first time. The machine acts as a flawless, literal mirror to your input. A microscopic change in wording alters the trajectory by a fraction of a degree. It seems insignificant at first glance, but without rigid boundaries, the system makes wild assumptions to fill blank spaces. That tiny divergence compounds into massive, unusable errors. The result is the exhausting cycle of trial and error, where you endlessly delete and rewrite, hoping for a better draft. We treat artificial intelligence like it operates by magic, but it is a deeply mechanical system that demands absolute mechanical precision. Imagine what happens when you stop guessing and start engineering. When an AI fails a task, it is almost always because our natural, conversational human language is inherently chaotic to a processor. Recent advances in how these models are trained show they expect something entirely different from us. They are designed to thrive on absolute clarity. Provide a rigid framework, and the model locks onto the objective without hesitation. The trial and error guessing game stops immediately. What you generate is an output you can actually deploy, highly reliable, repeatable, and ready for integration into a professional workflow. Forget the internet culture of prompt hacks and cheat codes. Those superficial tricks fall apart the moment you apply them to complex, multi-layered work. Reliable prompting is a deliberate, highly learnable science. When you understand the underlying mechanics, you hold the steering wheel. You dictate the exact parameters, tone, and logic of the final product with absolute confidence. You get exactly what you asked for without the frustration. In our upcoming session, we will walk through the exact step-by-step methodology needed to build these structural frameworks. Access to this highly valuable training session is completely free, and it is happening soon. Check the description below for all the details and the registration link to secure your spot.